I know you, I walked with you once upon a dream. He's not happy.
Yeah, like, why is my life?
I saw this cake where this guy made a half cake. Now what I mean by that is he literally cut a cake in half, stacked it, and then when you hold it up with the board, it looks like, well, not, does it look like a whole cake? How would you
If you're
explain
looking
it?
straight at it, yeah.
Yeah. I couldn't understand a word because he wasn't speaking English. I don't know what language he was speaking, but I was able to read the comments because you know how like you can click it and translate it for you, because like honest to God, I had no idea really what was happening. In the comments, the idea was that he was asking, what do you think of the trend? And some people were kind of like they didn't like it and some people did. Now, I really like it. I like it as in you could be really creative with this, but I had a vision for this cake because literally I had something different planned for this video. And then as soon as I saw this, I went boom, like it just projected to a whole different, like one thing set it up and then I'm like, no, I want to do this instead. Also, our filming schedule has changed. We've decided to only do it once a month instead of like twice because it's been getting a little too much for us. Like we end up being a little too busy. Like we did it the original way because we are hermits. We don't leave the freaking house. But as soon as we started filming, that's when things just started picking up.
We didn't leave the house.
Barely. But
Picked up for both of us. We're
work's picked
working
up.
a lot more, and yeah.
My social life has picked up so much more too. I'm just like, oh my God, my friends actually want to do things with me.
And now and plan a wedding too. Now.
Oh yeah, I'm planning a wedding.
Plan a wedding. You just flicked it off onto. I didn't try it. Making me nervous now.
It wasn't fitted, so I just went. I actually saw this comedian. I found her so funny where she was just like, when she got engaged, she was like, am I better than everybody? I was like,
It was funny, that one. Oh no.
what? Jackson! I'm not refilming that. That's staying out
In
there.
a way, that whiteboard's hard to see because the lights, it's reflecting straight back off it.
Should we turn the
No,
light?
just turn the angle of the. Yeah, like, just move it around a bit. No, yeah, so you can. No, you can't see shit.
But look at what he did for me. I asked him, is there any way he could make, it's basically a shelf for my cake. I got really excited because he did it for me. And look, I think this turned out really, really cool.
Came out alright.
I love it. Oh my God, we are keeping this. I'm going to do other ideas with it, but I don't know why it's so cute to me. Cake on a shelf, like that's so cute.
Cake on a shelf.
I'm going for the Sleeping Beauty look. I got these prepped at work, but I thought it'd be really cool to have the cake where the fairies are on the cake and they're like kind of like make it pink, make it blue, you know, like interacting with the cake itself. I feel like this is a great idea for cakes like that. So I'm going to cut these in half because that's what I saw him do, and I'm just going to get them onto the board. I've cut these bad boys in half now, and I'm just going to start placing them, ooh, not nicely, making a mess.
More like throat.
Chuck. Oh God. Okay, so now I have got these all nice and prepped. I've got my bags ready. What I'm thinking of doing is piping on the back so that when I have this nice and hard, because you need to make sure this cake is nice and hard, when I hold it up, it's not just got this supporting it, but also the buttercream at the back that's supporting it. So I'm going to start piping now. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to do a crumb coat on it because this cake is so crumbly. So I'm going to just pipe it on, and then just, usually I don't really worry about a crumb coat, but this one I'm like, it really needs it. So we will do that and then get it nice and hard. Should I try?
It'll sit up.
It'll sit up. I love that concept so much. Why does this give me so much joy? This is cool. Okay, so we've allowed it to chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes now, so it should be rock hard. I hate that song. Now we're gonna start doing the fun part and pipe and smooth out. So let's go. So I've got the cake as smooth as I like it. Now it's in the fridge. Now what I'm gonna do now is get my fondant work done because I just wanna cut out some splatters to make it look like the fairies are like, no, make it pink, or no, make it blue. You know, like how they're having that little fight. So I'm gonna get that all prepped up and place that onto the cake. So I've made my fondant piece. I've just rolled it out and then I've cut it into shape how I want it. Do you think that looks pretty good, like buffed out?
Yeah.
Are you saying yeah because you want it over with, or are you saying yeah because you're like, yeah, it's out?
No, yeah.
Wow, like does that not look cool? The splatter. I'm gonna have the little fairy godmother here, just going like boom, and then I'm gonna have the other one there, and then the other one sitting over there. Or should I have her sitting up here and splattering it, and then have her splatting that? I don't know, I'll figure it out as I'm going along, but I'm gonna start on the next one. Yeah, no, I'm glad I went with this way. This looks so cool. I just realized I fucked up. I should have, she should be up here because she's facing that way, and she should be down there.
Does that won't work? I didn't even think about it.
Neither did I. Actually, no, I did think about it. I just still fucked up. Now I'm crying. I can't believe I did that. That didn't take as long as what I expected it to, but I'm going to just put the splatter there and it should hopefully cover up most of my imperfections. So I'm just going to slide that right on there. How's that look?
Good.
I thought it'd be a cool little detail to have a piping bag. Where they're fixing up the cake with the magic and stuff, they have like a little piping bag.
Floating around.
Yeah, floating around. And because it's flat, I don't have to worry about gravity. I just need to stick that on with some chocolate. She's solid. Hopefully we can start adding on some of the other details into this. This is coming out really cool. Okay, so this is how it's turning out. Or is it okay to go forward?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at it. Oh my God. Luckily now I know they're facing the right way. Imagine if I got to this point and I did not realize.
Oh, that's why I said to you. You almost had a moment of, no, it'll still work. I was like, I don't know.
Thank fuck. Now I've got two sizes. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the mini guys or with the big ones, but I'm gonna cut one out and then just basically roughly see the sizing, you know what I mean? I'm gonna clean these up and stick them onto the board. Hopefully this is gonna look cute. I'm really hoping. I can't get over, I absolutely love this. I'm scared. Oh my God, but does it not look cool?
Does look good.
That looks
cool.
so cool. You can see like I'm leaning it a little bit back. I'm like, but I love this concept. I was thinking of maybe doing an Alice in Wonderland one, because like, you know, with the Mad Hatter, I thought that looked really cool with the teacups and like the tea pots and stuff like that, with like all around the sides, and then having the main like cake in the middle, or like cereal, you know, those gravity defiant ones. I feel like this is a great way to do it for those who aren't so confident. I'm one of them. Like I wanted to do that, and then I was like, I scared myself out of it because I was like, no, like have you seen them things? It's terrifying. Or also one that I really wanted to do was Cinderella, which is probably why you thought we were going to do Cinderella.
I think that's why I did actually.
Because I love the dress, and then with the birds on the side holding the ribbon, like can you imagine that with this cake? I can, holy crap. But I'm so happy with how this turned out. Does it not look cool?
It does, I said.
I'm proud. I'm so sorry. It's half a cake, but I feel like this is a cool concept where like I feel like you can have characters interacting with the cake. I feel like this is a great idea for this kind of stuff. Let me know, do you think this is cool, or do you think like, nah, this is kind of like a dumb trend? Again, I love it for this. This is cool. The only problem is that like, I can't go like, boy, is like, it's flat.
Need to like make a stand to hold it up.
I feel like something's bad going to happen, so I'm going to stop mucking around now before like something happens. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I sometimes forget to say that, and it really does help out the channel. Like, we are trying to build this little dream, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Boy.
We do not own you.
Do you need a home? You don't have a car.
No, we don't need a home.
You need a home.
We're gonna find out how she or he got in.
Oh, it's a cat, babe.
You little bitch. Jumped onto your car.
It's not my car. You little bitch, get off!
It's a cat, babe.
Fuck you!